welcome back to my channel. Let's get ready for Halloween.
Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to get this simple yet creepy skull makeup look that's perfect for any sort of last minute Halloween.
Hey, here, hey, hey.
So let's get started. First, I just use a wet wipe to dampen my child's skin. Next, I'm taking normal face powder on a damp sponge and pressing it on his skin in a dab motion. I'm using the things whatever is available with me, but to intensify the look, you can use white concealer or white face paint stick. It's all about your comfort and your choice. Now I'm using a black eyeliner pencil to draw a circular shape. I'm just trying that hollowed out a socket look. I just strike down a line to make the look scary. I'm just filling to create a little bit of an expression on face. I know it's scary, but that's the look it is. Next, I'm creating that skeleton-like nose and I'm going round the nose with some shape. I'm doing the same on both sides. Let's start filling. Yeah. I'm trying to make some smile lines at the corners of mouth and I'm just filling the lips. I'm drawing on the skeleton smile. Now I'm just drawing on the teeth and just adding an effect. I'm putting him in my plain black t-shirt. I styled his hair off camera and the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll be showing you the whole look along with Halloween setup in our next video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you. Bye.